Hey guys, Quality Alerts here. I didn't want to have to make this intro, but I feel like I have to say something or else you guys are just gonna be mad that I just went away. This is probably gonna be the last EAS compilation or anything that I upload on this YouTube channel for a pretty long time. After I put in my new bed, which is what I'm sitting underneath right now, I lost all reception in my room. I cannot get reception anywhere. So this is probably going to be the last one for a very long time, or until I can figure out how to mount a bunch of giant antennas on my roof, which my parents probably wouldn't be okay with. But that aside, enjoy EAS compilation number 8. It starts off with a tornado warning, which is really fun, but yeah, I'm sorry to go on a hiatus again, but have fun, stay alert, and enjoy ES compilation number 8.
Shit, they issued a tornado warning. Tornado warning! Tornado warning! Oh my god!
Here is an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following counties in California, Butte and Tehama.
Oh my god!
The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a tornado warning for
Here we go!
Eastern Tehama County in Northern California, Northwestern Butte County in Northern California until 2:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time.
You're boy!
Pacific Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Vina, or 9 miles east of Corning, moving north at 15 miles per hour.
Why didn't you get it?
Tornado and quarter-size hail. Source,
You're weird.
Radar indicated rotation.
Oh my god.
Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those coming without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Oh my god.
Roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
Tree damage is likely. Oh my god.
This dangerous storm will be near Vine around 2:10 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued.
Oh my god.
30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in California, Butte and Tehama. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, simulcast on radio station KEC 57 and 100.
Oh my god. Here we go. Here we go. Another one.
Here is an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following county, Butte, California. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Butte County in Northern California until 3:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time.
Looks like I gotta take down that video.
Pacific Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located over Chico, moving north at 20
Oh
miles per hour.
boy.
Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Yeah, I'm gonna list that video.
Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Chico and Richardson Springs.
Oh my god.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county, Butte, California.
Wow.
You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio.
Bro.
Here is an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following county, Tehama, California. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Tehama County in Northern California until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. It's 4:41 p.m.
But, I mean, I'd say maybe once
A severe thunderstorm was located over Tehama, or near Corning, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Tehama, Jamberlaw Flores, Richfield, and Los Molinos.
I have a property manager
For your
prepare it.
protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
What kind of notice that
Repeating,
you can
a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Tehama, California.
We take the 120-day notice of intent to sell with us. A lot of realtors don't know that you
You're
can
listening.
that notice.
Here is an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following county: Tehama, California. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Tehama County in Northern California until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4:41 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Tehama, or near Corning, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Tehama, Jamberlaw Flores, Richfield, and Los Molinos. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Tehama, California.
Well, that took long
A
enough.
lot of people think that means you have to give it to them 120 days before.